I thought you guys would like to see where we're staying in Paris. We're staying in this adorable little apartment. So I'm going to show you guys around. So first, this is the entryway to the apartment. And here's the little kitchen area. Look at that view. So this is the guest area. There's Paul trying to figure out the TV. Did you get it figured out from English?
It's not letting me change the audio language, so I'm going to YouTube it.
This couch with that lamb fur, or what is it, lambskin? Goals. And this is actually where I've been working on my YouTube videos. It's a little desk corner. I love these chairs too, giving me inspiration for our house. So there's another window that we've opened up. You get another view of Paris, or Robert and Holly's room. First of all, this corner right here is just perfection. Look at those books. I also really love this rug. And then these floors are just really pretty. Look at this on the floor. Now I'm going to take you upstairs where Paul and I are sleeping. It's so cute. Also have to get this corner. That is so cute. Alright, upstairs we go. So over here is her office. I don't want to take you over there because I don't know if she has anything personal. I don't want to any of that on film. But over here is where Paul and I are staying. Also, that beeping in the background is the fire alarm. Really cute, even though it's kind of scrunched up here. It's really, really cozy. And we also get a skylight. I'm going to open this up and show you guys the view. How cool is that? So the view up here is just beautiful. So that about sums up our apartment. I can understand why people would like Instagram pictures here and everything, but actually filming it, you get the real deal. It is really pretty, but I think I've shown you everything in the apartment. Let me go see what Paul is doing. Ooh, that alarm is really loud. I really, really like how she decorates. They have McDonald's here, and so that's kind of where we've been eating. But I got a chocolate cod. Why is it white?
You didn't add the chocolate.
This?
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you have a stir?
Here you go.
Hold it for a second. Life tip, if you're making hot cocoa, definitely use warm milk. It's so much better than water.
I know, I think a lot of people do that though.
Oh, not us poor kids.
See, it didn't look like that. Whatever they gave me last time was really good. So it is Monday?
Yes, ma'am.
Monday. We're gonna climb up the rest of this hill, and there's like a beautiful overlook of the city, and I will show you guys that. I still haven't had coffee, which explains like
Baggy eyes.
Massive baggy eyes and
Hangover.
I need my coffee. Are Robert and Holly looking at us?
Oh, it's such a
Interesting. See lots of those around right now. All those moms are making these. Paul? He's gonna get this one. Look. That's so cute.
These.
These?
Yeah.
This is the cutest little greenhouse. Why is it light that color? It's really weird.
No idea.
Astrid? Very interesting. We've stopped into a little coffee shop to grab some coffee before we go back home. And then we're riding the metro back. So just need a little bit extra coffee. Ooh, strong.